Metiasie fie obekai 13 days ago and I have a report to my ofia say former Kumasi Asante Kotoko midfielder currently then na obonebo ma APR Rwanda o free club or abra or running contract with the club. We reported say he's leaving and only caption at the mine and now me no say which is middle of September my way no player no enye movie wako sign for a new football club. Yes, was signed for a new football club and as you can see on the screen and then I made a photo no any announcements no at all no I can say enye Kotoko one has one and enye ntetiamu enye did yo a matured and intellectual sports and ye deba me pacho Asante Kotoko international reaction no unjoin ya na wa hit 0247 107260 0247 107260 na mia nkasa ena mede obetuso enye obi a mia na mede obetuso nti wo interested in kwari ana wamahu mede obetuso me say Asante Kotoko yesom ena so far as the former players current players obia is concerned news bi atoha ye de munchechemu no ebebrew in only 3 to 4 minutes yen kasa tenten be 22 minutes be 8 minutes aden data boy den enti no edino Nazil Hamza ubetimi aframe the blog man unsubscribe ya wadaroma no wa hit the rest subscribe button no about man so na ya build it together afi yen go straight into the issue na no ade ebe tu dwa say APR Rwanda for no ayo madwen so mehu Ghana enedi because obere do contract and ni deal as say wako club na wako no club no e wo Libya mame en confirm ma when that so no Itihad Misurata has announced the deal of Ghanaian midfielder Richmond Lamptey on a year deal. Indeed, the period or the duration of the contract is 1 year. Na sika matese APR for no agye free. Itihad Misurata for no hono enye sika ketwa. Enu ntia omama na ko at this particular time nka mprempre no obi nton ne sebofo ana obi nton na kokko be de but omaton at this particular time it tells you sika no esopan. I'm hearing close to about $500,000. Yes, another information I made said APR for not every all Itihad for no ama say no a ho and Richmond Lamptey e kobo no ball on the ball e Rwanda bi went to open Richmond Lamptey e al Itihad Misurata hono na obinya ne glimpses we are very wishing all the best. Na no people say we Itihad na or Saudi Arabia na there be oko Saudi Arabia and na oba Libya North Africa ha so a omo de we musinimi omo clubs no similar pa on say oko Saudi Arabia Pro League na ana sell mo ho na Cristiano Ronaldo bo and Al Itihad omo so na ma Cristiano Ronaldo mo top competition pa from Al Itihad but Al Itihad we know Al Itihad Misurata ewo Libya ya Libya o family Niger top wa manfo kazo mo fa desert Libya no eho Al Misurata yes Itihad ya wo she Richmond Lamptey all the best sikane ye onko bonje wende Ghana